Hello everyone, this is the weather-famous watch studio, mainly engaged in RMA, PPP, Rolex original data development. Today, I bring you the PP5740G Nautilus, a watch of the blue-blooded noble. In fact, for this watch, its price in the secondary market 3 to 4 million yuan. Now the price has dropped, but the price is still stable at about 1.7 to 2 million. In fact, for this kind of watch, through our modification, customization, and upgrading, can really help customers spend less money on more. For this kind of watch, the material in the counter is made of 18-karat white gold. In fact, it is the same as the 5711, 572. They are all precious metal watches. By using real 18-karat white gold, to customize its case and strap, we can achieve the same weight, color, and texture. Color consistency and texture. As usual, let's weigh it together. Let's weigh this watch. How much does the entire watch weigh? Let's take a look together. You can see the weight on the scale is 184 grams. See, this weight is exactly the same as the original weight because it uses real materials, 18 carats of gold, to make this pure gold material. In fact, some customers may not understand 18-karat white gold. What's the difference between it and 18-karat gold? Actually, Chanchi is here to tell you that 18-karat white gold and 18-karat gold, their value is the same. There is no difference. It's just that one is white gold and the other is rose gold. And the other is rose gold. For precious metals like this, we can support any testing agency in the country for re-inspection because the whole custom-made watch, the price of a custom watch is relatively high. For precious metal products like ours, we support any national testing agency to conduct re-inspection. If it's fake, we'll pay 10 times the price. But for a modified watch like this, what we pursue its full functionality. As you can see, this Nautilus, its surface is in such a multifunctional form. It has many dials and many functions. The specific functions of the dial, I'll give you a brief explanation. For example, at 6 o'clock, inside the 6 o'clock position is the moon phase function, and the outer ring is its calendar function. This small needle is a 24-hour system. You can see that the hour hand is pointing to 24 o'clock. See, the outer needle is a calendar function, which is the function of the weekly calendar. And then, at the 3 o'clock position here, what is it? It represents the first, second, third, and fourth quarters, and the month outside. This short one, and the long one is the hour hand and minute hand. This is a perpetual calendar watch. Its movement is very, very complex. We modified it into a 2400 integrated movement, which can realize all the functions of this watch. Let me demonstrate it for you. When we adjust the time, you can see that the small needle, it moves along with the hour hand. It has a real 24-hour system function. And when it turns 2 times, after 2 rotations, its week and date will jump simultaneously. And the moon phase will also jump. It will also jump. See, it jumps. When the calendar, after turning a full circle, the month will change. When the month turns 3 times, the 4 seasons inside. 4 seasons. The seasons will also change, will also turn. So our modified movement can achieve this watch, the same functions as the one in the cabinet, with the same functions, with all functions. But for a watch like this, let's take a look at the movement behind it. The movement behind it is a custom-made 240-240, a non-calibrated movement. Its movement, there are counterweights on all 4 sides of the balance. It's a non-calibrated movement. Only in Swiss movements will have such a process. Its deck has been repolished and regilded and engraved. Its rotor is an automatic rotor made of 22-karat gold. That is to say, this movement is infinitely close to the original, the PP240 perpetual calendar movement, and can achieve all its functions. Like our watch, its thickness is also exactly the same as the original. For a watch like this, higher configurations can only rely on the original dial and the original 240 perpetual calendar movement to modify and upgrade it. If your budget is limited, you can use this alternative accessory, a replacement 240 movement for modification, which can also achieve all these functions. The case is, the shell number is developed based on CNC original data. You can see the brushed finish, which is very delicate, and the polishing treatment is also very good, including the chamfering and polishing treatment, which is very delicate. See, the opening of its beak is also very three-dimensional. The brushed situation of the strap is also the same. It's very good. The side of the strap is also well handled and perfect. Let's take a look at its buckle again. You can see such a Calatrava, and the sound system is also very clear. In fact, for this Nautilus series, we have a wide variety of styles. You can choose according to your own preferences to choose, but for a Nautilus like this, it is made of precious metals. When choosing, you must choose 18-karat gold precious metal to customize it, to ensure its consistent color, and weight, and texture. This is a PP5740G Nautilus, a blue-blooded nobleman's perpetual calendar watch. If you like this watch, you can also contact Chanchi. If you like Chanchi's video, you can double-click to like and follow. See you next time.